Here we got a couple of big mango trees. See how tall they can grow. And this is at a local county park here in South Florida. They have like a little farm set up, and you have also petting animal area. And you can see them right here. This one flowered last year, I believe. I don't see any flowers right now on it. But could be late. Some of them are flowering at this point, and we're in the middle of February. Some already flowered like a month ago. But I don't know what variety this is, obviously. Could have been just a seedling. Anyway, if you have some free time, this is a great place to bring the kids. It's called Amelia Earhart Park, and they have like a little farm feel, I guess. All right. You enjoyed the little clip.